Hi everyone, welcome to PM Tech Solutions. Today we will be learning how to make an account on Fiverr and start earning. If you did not subscribe to my channel till now, please do so. And yes, don't forget to press the bell icon. Let's jump to the Google browser and type Fiverr. Here we go, click on the link. Here is the main page. You will have to continue it with the account. It can be your Facebook account, Google account, or any other Apple account. Just type your email address and click the continue. Here you will have to choose a unique username. This will be your ID login once your account will be created. Choose a password, any 8 characters of lower or uppercase. Just click on join. Congrats, your account has been created. You need to go back to your email to activate your account. Just go to the Gmail and look for the email sent by Fiverr. Here is the email sent by Fiverr. Click on this and activate your account. Your account has been successfully activated. Now you can edit your profile. You can earn money by just referring your friends to Fiverr or by becoming a seller. For now, I will be selecting Become a Seller. Just click on the green button. Once you will click on Become a Seller, it will give you some options. Learn what makes a successful profile, create your seller profile, publish your gigs. Once you read all this, click on Continue. Here you will have to read all the instructions carefully. What makes a successful Fiverr profile? Take your time in creating your profile so it's exactly as you want. Add credibility by linking out to your relevant professional networks. Accurately describe your professional skills to help you get more work. Put a face to your name. Upload a profile picture that clearly shows your face. To keep our community secure for everyone, we may ask you to verify your ID. Click on Continue. Here, I already uploaded my photo to make videos shorter. You can browse your photo from your PC and upload yours. Here is my name and this is my copy-pasted description. You will have to choose the languages you can speak. Click on Continue. In professional info, you will have to choose the occupation. You can add your occupation and skills according to your choice. Put your education details, certifications, and personal website. Enter here the URL of your website and click on Continue. Here, enter your phone number to verify your account. You will have to put the code here to confirm that it is your mobile number. You can add security questions according to your choice. I just made the video fast to save some time. Click on Finish and all done. Now this is the time for your profile to offer the services. In title section, I'll put the skills. For example, I'm putting I will edit videos professionally. Next is category. Here I choose video and animation. Next, video editing. Read these instructions carefully and add tags. You can also search for tags here. For example, video editing, convert video, edit video. There is a lot of other options available. This is a very good feature as well. Here it is saying your title should have more words. You can put more details. Just perfect. Click on continue. Here is scope and pricing. You can now offer buyers delivery options for up to 90 days. Go ahead and update. Now name the packages and add descriptions. Now here is 3 types of packages. One is basic, another is standard, and then premium. You can put your details in each section. Delivery timings will be different for each packages and also the charges. Here I am selecting one by one each section. Footage provided by the buyer, running time on minutes, color grading, sound, motion graphics, subtitles, revisions, pricing, days and charges according to the packages. Once you will make the profile and start working, you will know better. You can add extra information, provide the details, click on save and continue. Here you have to write description. I copy pasted description to make videos shorter. You can take your time. Make sure to put proper description of your work. For example, I put here information about my video editing. Now next section is frequently asked questions. You can put here questions according to your profile. Now let's go to the next step. Upload video and photo about your video editing to capture buyers' attention. It should be attractive and nice. Once done, click on Terms and Conditions and click on Save and Continue. You are almost there. Complete the following requirements to start selling. Fill out Form W-9 if you are US citizen. I am not American, so I am choosing No. Click on Save and Continue. You are done. Publish your product and Viola. And yes, we did it. Here you can start creating a new product or you can switch to buying. Your choice. All done. So I'm logging out. Hope you liked my video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.